Okay, I'm going to show you how to make one new scene, several new scenes, and move from one level to another. And I'm not going to include this demo scene since it's kind of buggy for our purposes. But this new scene that we've made together, I'm going to duplicate it actually twice. And I'm going to rename these level 2 and level 3 and level 1. And for level 1, that's the one we've got loaded right here. We just have to make sure that all of these are in the build settings. So they're not. So scenes demo, I'm going to delete that. I hit command and delete. I'm going to drag level 2 and level 3 in there. And I know that they're exact copies of level 1, but that doesn't matter at the moment. And then we're going to also, there's one more thing we need to do with level 2 and 3. We need to bake, actually with all 3 of these, we need to bake the navigation. Here, and hit bake, and that's all there is to it. Save. Level 2, bake. You can see it makes a directory for it. Save. Level 3. It says level 3 right there. Bake. Save. Now my guess is that all 3 of them will now work, and let's just test like level 3 out and make sure it runs okay. And get the weapon. Didn't get it yet. Okay, and then it killed me, but go to console, it said, yeah, it didn't complain of that. Okay, so let me see. Exit. Play. So I didn't. There we go. Right down here. Scene demo couldn't be loaded because it's not been added to the build settings. That's good. That means that it's running this script. It's running the enemy's wave script. I'm going to collapse some of this stuff. It's running this script. So now that we've got 3 levels and they're all using this same script, the problem is we can't just load scene demo anymore. So what we need to do is scene manager .get scene by name and then give it a string. So next scene. But that string doesn't exist because we didn't make it. So it's not going to compile unless we put public string next scene. That's different there. That looks good. Now back here, hopefully, let's see. All right, there's a problem here. Invalid arguments. Oh, okay. That's right. Because load scene is looking for a name. So .name. I knew that because I looked it up earlier, but if you ever want to look things up, you can just go and it'll load the docs and you can see what it's looking for. Or you can load scene and it'll show you string. So anyway. Oh, and that command that I hit was command and the single quote. So over here we just have to put the name at the end. And that should do the trick. Let's see. Yeah, good, except we didn't put the name in here. So level, this is level 3, level 1. Okay, let's try this. Oh, well if I do that while it's running, it's going to override what I did. Hit go. Let's see if it works now. Oh, there's still somebody there. Okay, it says invalid scene name and invalid build index -1. Okay, Interesting. Enemy waves. Okay, let's see. Robot destroy. Figure this out. I was making it way too complicated here. So instead of all this stuff, it makes perfect sense in hindsight. Next scene. Just that. So in level 3, I've made the next scene to be level 1. And I'm going to go back and do the same for level 2 and level 1. So for level 2, level 3, save. Level 1, level 2, save. And open level 1 and hit go. Switched. That's good. And it says up at the top we're on level 2. That's switched. Now it says up at the top we're at level 3. There we go. Back to level 1.